Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to notify your team members when a new deal is created in Pipedrive. So imagine this, a new deal called as Tesla has been created in Pipedrive. So to notify your team members on Slack, you have two choices. First choice is you can copy all the details from Pipedrive, compose a message and send it on Slack. Or you can just bring in some automation. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Pipedrive and Slack. So what Pabbly Connect will do is, anytime a new deal is created in Pipedrive, it will automatically send a notification on Slack. Now this little integration can be done in few steps. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and here you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Pipedrive to Slack. Pipedrive to Slack. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive? Pipedrive, because we want to send the data from Pipedrive, that is why. So now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new deal? Okay, so new deal is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new deal is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like a new person, new organization, new product, new stage, new user, new activity. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new deal is made in Pipedrive. Okay, so just click on connect with Pipedrive. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the API token. So to get the API token, let's have a visit to Pipedrive. So this is my Pipedrive account. So first of all, let's go to profile, click this, then click on personal preferences, click this. Okay, so in the personal preferences, you will find the option called as API, click this. So this is your personal API token. All I have to do is just copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have pasted our API token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, you will find the webhook URL as well as the blank for company domain. So in usual cases, all we have to do is copy this webhook URL in the triggering software like Pipedrive, and the data would start flowing. Now in this case, all we have to do is enter the company domain. So let me take you to Pipedrive, and in the URL you will find the company domain. So this is your company domain. So I'm just copying this. So basically all the characters between this slash and this dot is your company domain. So I'm just copying this and pasting it here. Okay, so our company domain has been pasted. This is the webhook URL. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So basically this means that anytime a new deal is created in Pipedrive, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just click on this button, capture webhook response, click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to Pipedrive and I'm going to create a dummy deal. So let me just click on plus deal. Okay, so the name of the person is how about we go with 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, so this is the name of the person. The organization this guy works is SpaceX. Okay, he works in SpaceX. And the title of the deal is about Okay, how about we keep it as SpaceX deal and the value is 10,000 or 1 lakh or something, and it's worth Indonesian rupees? No, US dollars. US dollars. So the stage is negotiation started and the close date is 17th March. The owner is of course me, Ashi. My name is Ashi. Okay, so let me just click on save. Okay, so a new deal called as SpaceX deal has been created. So let us have a look in Pabbly Connect. Do we have the data concerning the same? So let's check. Okay, yes. So this is the API response. So let's have a look. So this is the deal called as SpaceX deal, and the value is $1 lakh, $1 lakh. Okay, and then we have the status as open, and then where are the rest of the details? Okay, so this is the person's name. This is the organization. Excellent. So we have got the data of the deal. So basically now we have to inform our teammates on Slack. Now to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Slack? Okay, because we want to send the message on Slack. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message with image, without image. Okay, send channel message without image. Now send channel message without an image is an action event. There are many more action events like create channel, invite users channel. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a channel message without an image. Okay, so I'm selecting this. Just click on connect with Slack. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Slack. So Pabbly Connect is now demanding access to my Slack account. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Excellent. So in the channel, it is showing it as general. And when we expand this, you will find a ton of channel. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the channels that is present in my Slack account. Okay, so these are all the channels that is present here is being simply reflected here. Because at this point, Slack is now thoroughly integrated with Pabbly Connect. So what if I create a new channel? So let me just create a new channel. Okay, so the channel name is Data Pipedrive. Data Pipedrive. Okay, so we are not going to add any description. Just let me just create a new channel. So yeah, we are going to add 3 members to the channel. So these are the 3 members in the channel. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just refresh this. So when I refresh this, I can expect to find this newly created channel called as Data Pipedrive in the drop down. This is because Pabbly Connect is integrated with Slack. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so in the drop down, do we have? Yes, we do have the newly created channel, that is Data Pipedrive. So the idea is that whenever a new deal is created in Pipedrive, Slack will be sending data message in this particular channel. So in the message type, we have a plain text. So let's keep it as that way. Now in the message, it should be something like new deal created. And let's map in some detail. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, you will find all the details that is present here. So as you can see, these are all the details that we have got from Pipedrive. So yeah, so as you can see, okay, so this is the deal name. So what was the deal name? It was SpaceX deal. Okay, SpaceX deal, and new deal, SpaceX deal under. And this is the name of the person. So 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been created. And the value of the deal is, and we are just going to map in the amount value. So this is the value. Excellent. So yeah, and how about we put in the $sign? Okay. So in the bot name, since my name is Michael, I prefer to type my name as Michael or Mike. Okay, now in the bot icon, we can just simply ignore it. We don't want any we don't want it to enter any kind of image or image URL. So we are just ignoring that. So this is the message plain text. This is the message. This is the message type plain text, and this is the message. This is the bot name Mike, and the bot icon has been left empty. And so when I click on save and send test request, it will send the data to this channel. So let me just do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, the messages from 𝗪𝗵𝘆, a new deal created, SpaceX deal under 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been created, and the value of the deal is $10,000 or $1 lakh or something. Okay, so the presence of this message in Slack shows that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive and Slack with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not? Now, before we do that, let me take you to Pabbly Connect and let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize this trigger windows. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Slack. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Pipedrive and Slack. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create one more deal. Okay, so the name of the person, the contact person is Roger, and the organization is Tesla. Okay, so the deal name is a Tesla deal, and this value is worth about 5,000 or 500, $590, $590 US dollars. US dollars. At this point, it is just proposal made, and the close date is 25th. Okay, so we have entered all the details. So let me just click on save. Okay, so a new deal called as Tesla deal has been created. So let's have a look in Slack. Do we have the data? Okay, so as you can see, a new message has arrived. New deal created. Tesla deal under Roger has been created, and the value of the deal is $590. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new deal is created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a message in Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.